Hello children, let's learn some colors. Blue color, blue color. Red color, red color. Green color, green color. Yellow color, yellow color. Black color, black color. A for apple. A. B for ball. B. C for cow. C. D for dog. D. E for elephant. E. F for fish. F. Z for girl. Z. H for horse. H. I for ice cream. I. J for joker. J. Let's draw some shapes. Square, circle, triangle, heart, star. Pink color, square. Yellow color, circle. Blue color, triangle. Red color, heart. Brown color, star. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. Square, circle, triangle, heart, star. Please like my video and subscribe our channel. And thank you for watching my video. Thank you children. Bye bye.